What's up, YouTube? Check this out. I'm trying to make some slabs out of this oak log. And I just pissed off all these yellow jackets. I'm trying to cut it down in size so I could put my Alaskan sawmill on there, because it's too big. And then once we get it a little bit lighter, I could load it on the skid steer onto this sawmill. But those yellow jackets are pissed off. Check it out, YouTube. My camera stopped recording for whatever reason while I was cutting this slab, but this is a finished product. Well, not finished product, but I mean done cutting the slab is what I mean. So you can see the detail really nice. And I think they're gonna make a table or something with this. I'm cutting these to, I think, 3 inches, about 3 inches. This one's already cut, it's just too heavy and I don't want to move it without any help because I might drop it and then kind of damage it. And this is the piece I took from the top just to make it smaller. The more you cut off the log, obviously it'll be lighter and it's smaller, so then you could fit into this other sawmill, the Norwood one. But in order to get my Alaskan sawmill on there, I had to cut this corner here and all this I had to take off because it's not wide enough, so it would jam up. And this is what it looks like when it comes off the Norwood sawmill. Pretty nice. Thanks for watching, YouTube.